South Australians suffered through several widespread and well-publicised power outages throughout 2016. These blackouts prompted South Australian Power Network to commission new gas turbines to support the state's electricity supply over high usage periods.
There was a need for additional power to supplement the South Australian Power Network grid, and APR put the bid in, won the bid, and fourth we came.
RJE Global was the first choice to complete the project on time and to the quality required for such an important undertaking. The job? The installation of 9 GE TM2500 Aero-Derivative gas turbine platforms over 2 locations, which together would carry a connect capacity of 270 megawatts. Edinburgh, near the former Holden plant in Adelaide's northern suburbs, was chosen to house 5 of the turbines. It provided ample land and was able to handle the generation capacity required. In peak usage periods, this site could provide up to 150 megawatts of power to the state's grid. RJE Global was responsible for the mechanical build and alignment of the turbines, the construction and commissioning of the grid connection equipment, plus the installation and commissioning of the fuel delivery system.
In terms of generation capacity here at Edinburgh, we're looking at about 125 megawatts to be able to export onto the grid in the event that we have a blackout situation in the state, similar to what we had last year, this time when the interconnector was lost. To be involved in a pinnacle project like this in your backyard is definitely a great thing, and to achieve the goals that we have in the amount of time that we have is something that we can definitely all look at as being a massive positive for the company.
So I've never seen a better organization than the RJE APR teamwork and the framework in which we worked within out here in South Australia.
With a contracted completion date of November 1, 2017, RJE Global was working within a 7-week timeframe. The Lonsdale site, which houses the remaining 4 turbines, came with its own unique set of obstacles.
There were several different challenges to the job here in Lonsdale specific. One was the terrain and how the power plant had to be designed to be put in here.
It's a pretty incredible feat building a power station in 52 days that has the ability to export 120 megawatts from 0 to 6 minutes on demand in South Australia. 60 guys on site were able to complete the power station without any safety concerns or injuries to our workers. It was a great result.
Thanks to the dedication and versatility of their team and years of experience completing similar projects in remote third world countries, RJE Global were able to successfully deliver another high-quality product while working under a very aggressive timeline.
The mark of professionalism is not getting something done, it's getting something done and making it look easy. And RJE made it look easy.